Now, after the Met Department alleged it had warned the Uttarakhand government 48 hours in advance, now the National Disaster Management Agency has stepped in, demanding an inquiry into whether Vijay Bahuguna's government dismissed Met's warning as a routine alert. With hundreds of lives lost, the NDMA wants the process of fixing accountability to begin.
Nearly 2 weeks after the destructive floods, the rescue operations are still on. But as the scale of the devastation is still unfolding, there is just one question on everyone's mind. Was this destruction avoidable? Were there red flags raised, and were there any warnings that fell on deaf ears?
चेतावनी हमने जारी की थी कि हैवी से बहुत भारी वर्षा होगी और आपने देखा होगा यहाँ पे सभी टीवी चैनल्स में, शायद आपके यहाँ भी चला, टीवी चैनल्स में भी चला था और अखबार में भी है, सब जगह आ रखा है कि अगले जिसमें जो है 48 घंटों में भारी वर्षा और बहुत भारी वर्षा और लैंडस्लाइड और कहते हैं पहाड़ में ना जाने की सुझाव.
According to the Met Department, thousands of lives could have been saved if the state government attended to their repeated warnings.
This snowballing into a controversy. The Met Department sources have confirmed to Times Now that warning was issued to the state government here in Uttarakhand. They were told that a catastrophe would actually take place here in the upper reaches of Uttarakhand. At least on 15th of June, these warnings were given to the state government, saying that on these Char Dham pilgrimage areas, mainly Badrinath, Kedarnath, Gangotri, Yamunotri as well as Joshimath will receive heavy rainfall.
And now the NDMA too is pushing for an inquiry into the matter.
But certainly, whatever has happened will need to be looked at very carefully in a very objective manner to understand any gaps that may have been there. And this way, we can prepare better for such events in future.
The aftermath of what Uttarakhand has witnessed is scary. And what lays in store is still uncertain. And now, as the war of words break out over ignored warnings, the question is, who is to be blamed and will they face any real action? Bureau Report, Times Now.